Welcome to our guide on how to correct your country settings on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, visit your Twitter account on your PC and navigate to the Settings section by clicking on Account Information. Enter your password to access account information and then select the option for Country from the Settings menu. Within the Country settings, you will see a drop-down menu where you can select the correct country associated with your account. Choose the appropriate country from the drop-down list to ensure that your account reflects the accurate location information. Once you have selected the correct country, click on Agree and Continue to confirm the changes to your country settings on Twitter. By updating your country settings, you can ensure that your account displays the right location information and tailor your Twitter experience to your geographical preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to correct your country settings on Twitter using your PC. Keep your account information up to date by adjusting your country settings according to your location. Enjoy a more personalized and relevant Twitter experience by ensuring that your country settings are accurate and current.